Polite expressions for making requests, using could, would, and may. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this video, we will focus on the topic of making requests using polite expressions in English. Specifically, we'll explore the usage of could, would, and may in conversational English. Mastering these polite expressions will greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively and politely in English. So, let's get started. Could is a modal verb commonly used to make polite requests in English. It indicates the ability or possibility of doing something. When making requests, could is often preferred over more direct options like can. Here's an example. Example: could you please pass me the salt? In this example, the speaker uses could to politely ask for someone's assistance. Remember, using could shows politeness and respect towards the person you are making the request to. Would is another modal verb frequently used to make requests in a polite manner. It expresses willingness or preference. Let's look at an example. Example: would you mind closing the window? Here, the speaker is asking the listener if they would be willing to perform a specific action. Would you mind is a common phrase used to introduce a polite request. Using would demonstrates courtesy and consideration towards the listener. May is a modal verb used to seek permission or make polite requests. It implies a degree of formality and is often employed in more formal situations. Consider the following example. Example: may I borrow your pen, please? By using may in this request, the speaker is seeking permission to borrow the pen. Note that may is more commonly used in formal contexts, whereas could and would are generally suitable for both formal and informal situations. Apart from making requests, could, would, and may can also be used to make polite offers. Let's explore how they can be used. Could, example: could I help you with your bags? Would, example: would you like some assistance? May, example: may I give you a hand? When making offers, it's important to use these modal verbs to express kindness and willingness to assist others. Congratulations! You have now learned about the polite expressions could, would, and may for making requests in English. Remember, using these modal verbs allows you to communicate more politely and considerately with others. Practice incorporating them into your conversations, and you'll become more confident in your English communication skills. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has been helpful in improving your English language proficiency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.